Consistent beauty routine, it's tough as it is, but it's even more difficult when you have to travel for work or if you're going on vacation. How on earth are you supposed to take all the things that you need with you on the road? Well, leave it to our resident beauty and lifestyle expert, Dawn McCarthy from Dawn's Corner. She's here to make our lives easier with portable beauty.
I am.
Tell us about
first up,
this.
I want you to put this on. This is from HairMax.com.
Okay.
And this is the HairMax LaserBand 82. So I want you to wear this 3 times a week for just 90 seconds. And it's a therapeutic light energy that's got medical grade lasers in it. It's going to restore and stimulate hair follicles.
Oh, I like that.
So it's going to basically help anybody that has reverse your thinning hair or any problems that you have with hair loss. And it's not just for men. Let's talk about it, women, when we have hormone issues and things like that. So this is a great product, and it's the only first FDA cleared, proven, doctor recommended device.
And it looks cute. I mean, you can make it pass for a headband if you really want to. You're at the club.
Exactly, so you don't need any drugs, no creams or anything like that. Just put it on your head, and again, just 3 times a week for 90 seconds.
That's easy, 90 seconds. I mean, come on, I love that.
Next up, if you don't and you already have hair like you do, you have beautiful, beautiful hair, this is the EasyUpdo.com. So what I want you to do is put that in one ponytail. This was seen everywhere this year on American Idol winner Maddie Pope, how she was wearing the higher ponytail. So you're gonna put it in a ponytail, then you're just gonna separate. So for all you people out there that don't know how to braid, you're basically just going to be twisting them and crossing over, and then they're going to basically turn them all up, and you'll be able to do a really, really, really fun, messy updo. Wow. And then you can just kind of pull them out and go on throughout your day. But as you can see, all these lovely designs, it's just, for those of us that have a little bit thinner ponytails, not nice and thick like you, these are absolutely amazing. And again, Maddie Pope wore them all the time at American Idol. So it's updos that add style, volume, length, and seconds. And it's great for busy moms. You're on the go. You kind of got back from the gym. You don't know what to do with your hair.
Well, I like that it makes different cool hairstyles instead of just the standard ponytail back behind.
Exactly. It'll make a really cute side bun. And again, it's, it's the easy updo. I love it.
Okay, what do we have here?
This is Micro Beauty Essentials. And I got this at the International Travel Goods Show this year here in Las Vegas.
Okay.
And it's basically, this is for your eyes, lips, cheeks, or you can put it on your body. So like the gold color you're wearing, you have in your hand right now, I put on my décolleté. Right here on my bones, on your collarbones to make them pop. They can go on your lips, they can go on your cheeks, and again, they're just really easy and portable. So it's anywhere, anytime, beauty on the go.
Throw it in your purse. I love the
Walmart.com.
size. That's the best part.
Exactly. And you can just go to Walmart.com, throw them in, and again, look at, they even have a cute little brush set. Because they are cream, you're going to want to kind of just dab them in a little bit to make it work a little bit better.
Okay.
But again, they're Micro Bomb cream color highlighter sets.
Now I have one of these. I use it every day when I flat iron my hair.
Well,
but this one's different.
This one's different. This is ValenteExtensions.com, and this is only iron that has 6 irons, that it's going to have 6 infused oils for this iron. So what makes this really unique is, if, like I said, if you pop it out here, you're going to be able to pop out a reservoir right here that you're going to fill with 1 to 2 drops of water.
You can put the oils in there?
Exactly. So, and all these oils that they have, I don't know if you can see that. One's like argan oil, one's coconut oil. And again, it's safe for extensions. Anybody that has hair extensions, you can use this. So it's for oils for every hair. And again, you only need 2 drops. You can curl, you can straighten. And again, it heals from within. So being able to infuse all these with the oils are absolutely fabulous for your hair. And again, they have an oil for everyone in this Valente iron here.
Okay, we have 30 seconds left. We gotta get to this.
iDerma Skincare, and I'm going to turn this on for you.
Whoa!
This is iDerma. Turn to the side. Stay like right there. Is the Youth Restoring Mask. This is an anti-aging treatment for men or women that can have this 8 minutes a day, 3 times a week. And again, it's basically going to take away those fine lines, any wrinkles that you have, any type of brown spots. It's comfortable. It's hands-free. It's infrared LED. You look younger already.
Oh my gosh, I'm taking this with me.
But isn't it great? It's easy, it's portable, and again, I'm talking portable beauty here. Again, this was 8 minutes a day. This is 90 seconds, 3 times a week.
I'm seriously wearing this.
Is that not the coolest thing? Where did she go?
Great tips, as always, Dawn. For more information, try these products. You can check out dawnscorner.com. This is awesome. I'm totally taking this.